We'll work a few of these 10B supplement problems right now so that you've got some on video that you can refer back to. There's nothing new that we're going to be doing here when we're adding. We'd just be working with some fractions rather than the simpler problems. All right, so here I can see square root of 30. These are not like terms. However, I can see that this needs to be rationalized because I have a denominator in my radical. So I'm going to think of this as the square root of 6 over the square root of 5 times 4. I need to rationalize it, so I need to multiply by that clever 1. So whatever my denominator is, I multiply by the same thing. And that's going to give me then the square root of 30 over 5. And so now I have 4 square root of 30 over 5. And then here I have, this does not simplify, so I have the square root of 30 plus 4/5. I'm going to draw a line here and come over here to the top. I'm going to now, I've got 4 radical 30, so 4 is a numerator over 5, so this is going to be radical 30. I'm going to write this as 4/5 radical 30, so 4 over 5, so 4/5 radical 30. When I add it, I get 1 and 4/5 radical 30, but we never leave a mixed number in this situation, so I'm going to change it to improper, so that's 1 times 5 is 5, plus 4 is 9/5 radical 30. We can write that as our answer, or we could write it as 9 radical 30 over 5. So either answer would be acceptable. All right, so let's work 3. So 3, again, here I have this fraction, which I'm going to break apart and consider it as the square root of 10 over the square root of 49. So 49, square root of 49, I can simplify. So I have the square root of 10 over 7. So this one I didn't need to rationalize. It came out of the radical on its own. All right, but here, square root of 40 can be simplified. So that's square root of 4 times the square root of 10. So that's going to be 2 radical 10. So right now I have 2 radical 10 plus radical 10 over 7. So again, let's go ahead and change this to a fraction. There's an understood 1 right there. So I have 2 radical 10 plus 1/7 radical 10. So there's my 1 over 7. I'm going to add them because I have like radicals, and that's going to be 2 and 1/7 radical 10. And then again, I'm going to change it to improper. So that's 14 plus 1 is 15 radical 10, or 15/7 radical 10. You can kind of do that. Or you could write it as 15 radical 10 over 7. All right, I'll stop there and we'll pick up a few more examples in class next time.